Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Katisha Dumas. If you guys are new here, welcome to the family. If you guys are not new here, hey my Shay baby. So today guys, as I promised, I told you guys that I'm gonna start my daily walk. So you guys will come along with me. I'm gonna try to get footage as much as I can, but you guys gonna come along with me as I exercise. And right now, God, this is day one. Like I told you guys, I normally do 3 times out of a week. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. So you guys just stay for the ride, okay?
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Katisha Dumas. If you guys are new here, welcome to the family. If you guys are not new here, hey my Shay baby. So today guys, as you can tell, my hair is wild. But yes guys, this is all mine. I know I be having like braids and stuff, but I do have hair. I do have hair. I know you guys like, oh good, what happened to your head? So right now guys, we're gonna have a wash day. So right now I have deep conditioner that I'll be using, and then I have mane and tail that I'll be using as well. It got 2 in 1. I know it kind of like blurry, let's see, but anyway, y'all get it. I don't know why I'm trying to make it look. There you go, focus. All right, so I will be using it. I'll just come to say hello, and then I'll be back once I'm about to blow dry my hair, because this right here, you guys can tell, it's a process within itself, and I'm gonna style my hair as well. So I just want to show you guys why I don't be wearing my natural hair. If you guys know any products I can use to maintain this hair, comment down below, y'all. Help you good out, baby, because ooh, look all this hair. Look all the hair, y'all. Won't do all this. I thank God for it. But yeah, y'all comment down below. Help your girl out. Help your girl out. Okay, guys, so I see y'all guys in a minute. Hey guys, I am back. The shrinkage is real though. And I just showed y'all all my everything now. Now we gotta blow dry.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, called me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here for through him, with him, in him. I found my way out through him, and in love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. For God so loved this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run from you. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you. Want you to know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you. Want you to know I'm all in. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. And I know you know I be messing up, but you hold me close when I'm reckless and caught up. Don't know how I got you sprung. The only one to lead, and I will follow, no mistrust. The God of all my needs, oh why you got me falling in love. So that's the red you I wanna trust. You got me falling in love. So that's the red you don't wanna trust. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you. Want you to know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you. Okay guys, I am back. As you guys seen, I have braided. I just did a few cornrows. Not perfect, but it don't have to be. I'm gonna go in with this headband wig. You guys will see me put this headband wig on. And I got this headband wig from our local beauty supply store. And yeah, that's how she look. Focus.
Yeah, that's how she look, and she is 1. Color 1. And it also came with, it's not a sponsor, but it also came with an extra headband headband to go with it. So yeah, guys, some quick for vacation that I could just put on my head. Yeah, that I could just put on my hair real fast. Sure. Everything out. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna put it on, guys. That's why I didn't braid as much, you know how to do it. So, going with my air control.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Hey guys, this is a up close on how it came out. Came out so nice.